Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is find a website that we can find our photo card. So example is Google, Pinterest, Tumblr. For this situation, I'm going to go on Pinterest and search. Now that we are in Pinterest, you can start searching for any photo cards that you would like. So in this example or in this situation, I am going to search for Kakei-Sensen screenshots or any kind of wallpaper. As much as possible, please avoid art like fan art because we don't want to discredit an artist for their work. As much as possible, just search for some official art or some art that is from the anime itself. Make sure it's a good quality pick. Like example, this is not a good quality pick, so I'm going to pick another one or another option. If you print this like this, it won't turn like good. It will be a bad print. So as much as possible, get a high quality or HD one. It's your preference if you want to be like landscape or portrait. This is a cute photo, so I will save it. I will right click that and save a photo. I'm waiting for that to load, and you can put it as something. Example, his name, Leo. Just choose between PDF or JPEG, doesn't matter. So I entered that and now it's downloading. This is just an example. I already have mine, so you can go to any platform that you want. You can go to Google Docs. Example, this is the Google Docs. This loading. So this is the Google Docs that I have. You can put it there if you want it to be squared, but if you want it to be like this shape, like curved, I would recommend to go to Canva, which is the one I'm using. Photocards have this curve. You can go buy the stamp at Shopee for like a cheap price, but mine is still not coming yet, so I'll do it at Canva, which is my alternative. Now you can pick what size, like here, create a design, as you can see. So create a design. You can choose or you can customize the size to what paper you're using. The paper that I'm using is here already, so I'm going to choose A4 document. Choose that, and now it's on a different page. And let's just wait for that to load. Now you can use Canva as mobile. Canva is available on PC and on apps, so you can do it anything. Let's just wait for it to load. So as you can see, it's loaded now here. Now you can adjust it on how you can see it. So I'm gonna choose 50% because I want it that way. Go to elements right here. So you go to frames, then you go to see all. Scroll down and let's wait for it to load, and you will see this one. Now you can take off the border. You can put it as white, so it will be blank like this. It's like a curve. Now I do 3 layers of this. You can size it to whatever size that you want. Here it is. I'll do it by 3 by 9. So look what I did here. So this is now 3 by 9. Now you can size it however you want, how small your photo cards is. That's your preference. So I am going to put my photos here now. You can upload these photos on upload here, like upload media right here, and you can see that your photos are here. So I already uploaded mine, so I'm just gonna customize it now. So here's what I finished. I did 4 columns. Now if you can do it like the same size, just copy. So this one is the duplicate page. You can duplicate this. As you can see, I duplicated mine, and just change the photos. So if I want to change the photos, I'll go to upload, and if I want to change it, I'm just going to put this and put this here, drag it there, and now it's changed. Now this is just an example, so I'll just delete it. So I did 4 pages. Now you can print it out just like this. Just go and print it out. But I want my photo cards to be a little bit smaller, like the size of K-pop photo cards. So to be the same, I would go save these and put these on doc. I already saved these, and let's just go to Google Docs. So I'm now in Google Docs, and as you can see, I customize what size we're gonna start. So this is where it started. Here, I customize it so it would fit everything. I'm going to insert a photo from my photos, and here are the saved ones. Now click the photo and click break text. Now you can put whatever margin you have, so I'm gonna put 0. I'll put it now in the middle and customize it to whatever size I have. To make it much more easier for me to know what size I'm doing, I'm going to take a photo card that I have of a K-pop. This is Woozy from 17, and see if like this is the right size for me, because this is like the exact same that is gonna be in the print later on. So if it's the same size, or it's the size that I wanted it to be, then it's fine already. It's a little bit small, but that's fine. Let's put it a little bit bigger. Okay, this is alright. This is not okay for me. I'm just gonna put it in the middle now. And there it is. I'm just gonna repeat the process now. So I just finished all of these now, and now I'm going to save it so I can print it. I'll download it as PDF or as plain text, depending on what I have, or Microsoft Word, but I'm going to download it as PDF so nobody can change the positions. I also titled these as photo cards. Don't just leave it as untitled. Now it's downloading, so I'll see you when it's printing.